rebuilt it in order to stop more erosion, which is happening down the back. But then we started having trouble with it washing out. A hole kept washing into the middle. We had it repaired about 4 times. Contractor, Mickey Fordham, came in. He dug the hole out, of course, and refilled it, and he completely has built up the back wall to make it much stronger. Not only did Bernie repair this wall, he also ripped along that top part there, and you can now see the results of that. And we're going to have much better pasture for our cattle. It's the main thing. Improved water supply, improved pasture.
It's an interesting pasture, this one. There's a lot of stylo in this, which is good. So even though we're into mid-July, there's still a fair bit of green in that stylo. And to have high protein feed in mid-July is pretty rare in this tropical environment. The other benefit of the stylo is it does put some nitrogen into the ground, which the buffel grass or any other grasses can make use of. So it's well worth having those legumes mixed in with whatever grass, but it doesn't matter if it's a native grass or a sown grass. It was probably 100 metres long of a breakaway that was anything from 0.6 of a metre to probably 1 metre high, and it was gradually eating back on a face. So there's probably a couple of things we could have done. We could have said, righto, let's batter the whole lot off, put topsoil on it, try and grass it up. The problem is we had this big bare area and badly gullied area below it, so we might have stopped the erosion on that edge from eating back into the paddock, but we wouldn't have stopped the erosion problem below it. So for that reason, I thought, well, the best thing to do is to concentrate the water in one location and deal with it, rather than having it spread over 100 metres. So we simply put a short diversion bank in, and instead of the diversion banks taking the water away from the erosion feature, these ones are bringing it into the centre. So they're bringing it into where that rock chute is and where those gabion baskets are. It then follows down this rock chute. It's basically a way of getting water from the paddock to a location that's stable. As you can see, the grade down the bottom's dropped right off. It's quite steep here, but it benches off at the bottom. So even though it's not protected right at the end, the gradient's dropped right off, and then it goes into a dam down below.
It's really improved that block of land because it was washing away. We're losing the topsoil, and it would have continued to do so had we not done what's been done.